Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Wesley Virgin's azcashcode. Okay, so maybe you landed on this page, maybe you're looking for more information on the azcashcode, and you're wondering, can you really make $50 to $100 gift cards from Amazon every hour, like he claims right here, right? One-click system, okay? And no complex setup, no expenses, and no waiting. And how does this actually really work, all right? And is this worth your time to actually invest in this program? Or is there a better way? All right, I'm going to show you a better way towards the end of this video, okay? So azcashcode, this is kind of how it works, right? Well, obviously Wesley Virgin is a huge internet marketer, very big in the motivation space. He's kind of, moving into the crypto and product launch space a little bit more. And if you watch this video, he basically talks about how he was able to get this, MacBook Pro by using gift cards from Amazon, all right? Now, essentially what this is if you pay $17, and this is basically the product right here, okay? If you pay $17, you get azcashcode, and what it is it's a cloud website building software that allows you to build an e-commerce website that you can list Amazon products on, okay? That's basically all it is. So what you can do is you can pick, so the websites actually look pretty nice, to be honest, right? So the functionality is very good. You can set it up, you can pick different products from Amazon, and what happens is when people land on your website and they click on your links to buy, say, a mouse, or to buy a mug, or to buy a book, or to buy whatever headsets, then they get linked directly to Amazon and they buy, and Amazon delivers it to them, right? So what you're getting is, as you're making these sales, you're not really making money from Amazon, but you're making $50 and $100 gift cards from Amazon, which you can then take and then spend and do whatever you want, okay? So that's kind of it in a nutshell. That's kind of how this works, right? So essentially, it's a website builder that allows you to list Amazon products. Now, here's the big problem with the azcashcode, okay? There's actually nothing wrong with the website. The website looks great. The functionality is great. It really does lead to Amazon. But the problem is they don't teach you how to get traffic and eyeballs to your website. And that is a big problem, okay? Because if you have a website on the internet, you probably already know this, but a website is as good as useless unless you have people finding your website every single day, right? And that's the big thing that the azcashcode leaves out, is that they don't teach you how to get people to your website. So imagine if this is your website right now and it was there, and sure, people can click on it and they can buy Amazon products, but how are people going to find your website? So unless you are a traffic expert, or you're already an internet marketer who knows how to drive a lot of people to your website who you know are interested in buying the products that you're listing, then your website is as good as useless. I hope that makes sense, okay? So unfortunately, for the $17 that you spend here, what you're getting, yes, is a website, but you're not learning how to get people to that website. So if people can't find your stuff, they can't click on your links, and they're not going to buy the Amazon products, right? So all this really is it's a Amazon gift card website builder. But in terms of being able to generate leads and eyeballs and people clicking on your stuff, that's a big part that they've missed out. And that's a problem because you're not really going to make any money that way, okay? So the other thing that you should know is that if you decide to buy the $17 product, there are 7 upsells, okay? So let me say that again, 7 upsells. It's a lot of upsells. So the total that you might spend on this site if you buy all the way through is $898. All right, so I'll just kind of go through the upsells very briefly. The first upsell is an unlimited version of the azcashcode, which means that instead of building one website, you can build unlimited websites. That's a $47 upsell. The second upsell is a done-for-you service. It's $297. That means if you don't want to set up the website, Wesley Virgin's team will set it up for you. So that's $297 one time. The third upsell is a $47 upsell. It's called automation. Upsell number 4 is a $47 upsell. It's additional multiple streams of income. Upsell number 5 is $197. It's a franchise which allows you to resell this particular funnel all the way through, so that you can make commissions all the way through. You can make potentially $898 in commissions, which is great, but you need to be an internet marketer. So if you're a beginner and you're on this website right now and you're thinking that you can just all of a sudden start making gift cards, unfortunately you can't. Because if you don't understand how to drive eyeballs and traffic towards your business, towards your websites, then it's as good as useless, right? So it's kind of like having a car without the fuel. The fuel are basically the people landing on your websites. That in and of itself is a skill. all right? And unless you learn that skill set, unfortunately, you're just not going to get results from this, okay? And then the sixth upsell is the infinite package, $147, and then the seventh upsell is the instant profits, which is $97. So there's a lot of upsells. I mean, by the time you get through this entire funnel, you're probably going to be pretty tired because you've been upsold 7 times, which is a lot, okay? So just so that you know what you're getting into, all right? So that's kind of my review of the AZ Cash Code, okay? Let me put it this way, right? For $17, what you're getting is actually pretty decent. You're getting the website. You're getting the ability to set it up with Amazon products, which people can really click on and buy, and you'll get the gift cards. The big problem is that if you don't understand how to rank your website on Google for people to find it, which they don't teach you, by the way, and you don't understand how to drive traffic and new eyeballs, fresh people every single day to your website, you're not going to make those sales anyway because people are not going to find your website. Does that make sense? So the internet is kind of like the ocean, right? Your AZ Cash Code website is like a tiny little island in the middle of the ocean. Nobody knows it's there, right? So just because you have an island in the ocean doesn't mean that people are going to find it. The trick is learning how to build bridges to that island so that people can find your island. And unfortunately, the $17 product here doesn't teach you how to do that. Okay, so yes, you're gonna have the website, and that's all great. But unless you know how to market online yourself, you're not really going to get results with this program. That's my personal opinion. I mean, I've been marketing online now for 13 plus years, and traffic and eyeballs and getting people to find your stuff is always the biggest problem that a lot of products like this leave out, unfortunately. Okay, so I think that there are better ways to make money online. I honestly don't think that you're going to get the results that he's talking about here. It's not that the website isn't real. The website is real, and you can build a website like this. The problem is whether you're going to make the sales or not, because they don't teach you that part, unfortunately. Okay, but look, if you're here right now, you're probably looking for a way to make money online. Otherwise, you wouldn't be on this website. You wouldn't be checking out Wesley Virgin's AZ Cash Code. And I've been doing this a long time, right? And I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly. I've been involved in so many different things: make money systems, make money websites, top tier sales, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. I've tried all of these businesses, and for a long time I was failing. 8 years I was failing because a lot of these product creators, they were just launching these products, making it look like it was very easy to make money online, when actually it does require you to learn skills. Okay, so every time you see stuff like this where it looks very, very simple, like, listen, you can make money in 3 steps. All you have to do is step 1, step 2, and step 3, and it's as simple as that. You don't need to learn any tech skills or anything like that. Most of the time, that is just not the case at all. Okay, so it's very important for you to understand that it requires a lot more than that in order for you to generate income online. Now, it is easy to make money online if you understand how. Okay, you just need to learn the marketing. You have to learn how to pick a good product. You have to learn how to do the build out simple web pages. Very simple, just drag and drop. You don't need to learn any code. You have to learn how to get traffic, and you have to learn to do the marketing aspect to get people to see your stuff. Now, if you're willing to do those 3 things, you can make potentially a lot of money online. You can make easily $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. I have students doing $40,000 a month by using these 3 strategies that I just told you: learning how to pick a good product, learning how to build the sales funnel, and learning actually how to do the marketing and getting people to see your stuff. All right, so don't be lazy. If you're somebody who's lazy and you want to make money online by doing like a click system, like click here and make money instantly, I'm sorry, but that doesn't exist. There are a lot of people that are launching products that make it seem like that's the way that you can make money, but most of the time, 99% of the time, they're just not real. As in, yes, you might be able to build a website, but will you really make money from it is the big question. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to become a real marketer, learn how to do this properly so that you can actually make real money, real sales, potentially generate a full-time income, I would love to show you how to do that. I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will show you how to do these 3 things in the right way. Get into the right industry, pick the right products, build simple funnels, and learn how to do the marketing so that people will actually find your stuff, right? Become a pro, and it's not hard. You just need the right info. All right, so you can click and register for the workshop below if you would like to do that. Click on the arrow on the right hand side if you're on your mobile device. Enter your email address on the next page. Check your spam folder, because email always ends up in spam these days. And then enjoy the workshop, right? And it's really going to go deep, and it's going to show you how this is really done if you're serious about becoming a real internet entrepreneur and learning how to do this properly. All right. But whatever you decide to do, it's up to you. If you would like to, if you already know how to drive traffic to websites, then this might be the right offer for you. It just depends on who you are. If you're an absolute beginner, it's very unlikely that this is going to work for you. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this review. Hope to see you on another video review, and I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care and all the best.